Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic and today I'm excited to show you around this lovely 2017 67 reg Peugeot Boxer van. Now this is the L3 H2 I believe, finished in the lovely gloss white paintwork. Nice van throughout. You can tell it's been well cared for by the previous keepers. Obviously being such a large van, a lot of these they do get dinged up over time. This one you can tell has been well cared for. All the plastics are in nice order. Coming through to the rear, you'll notice it's got armour plating locks all throughout the van. So every time you sort of go over, you'll have to unlock it there. But looking at it, fantastic. We've got the full roof bar on the top. We've got one side entry door, again with the armour lock on there as well, armour plate lock. But exterior wise, nice condition. I'll show you through to the back of the van in a moment. We'll just start in the cabin first of all. So we've got seating for 3 in here. The driver's seat has got a nice armrest there, nice and supportive sporty style seats. Jumping inside, we've got both keys with the vehicle. We've got a full multifunction steering wheel with our Bluetooth phone, our voice command and volume controls for the media. Down here you'll find your cruise control, and then coming through, as we're doing the video today, this vehicle has only covered 101,348 miles, which is very low for these vehicles. Now coming through to the centre display, this is a massive spec one. So coming through, we've got our full radio, which is a full DAB, so you've got all the extended channels there. Clicking through to media, you've got your sort of Bluetooth CD on there as well. As you can tell, Bluetooth music, USB, and then this one also comes with satellite navigation. You've got more there, so all your settings, clocks, compass and trip computer are all found on there. We've got climate control with air conditioning, so fantastic for those hotter days. Obviously central locking, traction control, but a nice thing inside. Now I'll switch it off and I'll show you through to the rear. So, in the back, nice and easy to unlock. As you can tell, lots of space in the back here, fully ply lined, so all the sides, ply linings in nice order as well. So never really had any hard use. There's no sort of large pierces through the woodwork. We've got a full metal bulkhead there as well, but a nice van throughout, and then we've got that large side entry door as well. But a nice thing, nice and easy to lock then, literally just take the key out, armour lock engages there. So if you'd like anything further on this vehicle, please do get in touch. You can give us a call on 01942 231 123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. At the moment we are trying to work via appointments, so please do get in touch before travelling down. We'll happily book you in. The vehicle will be kept in our servicing compound across the road, so that's not an issue. But thank you for watching the video and we look forward to your inquiry.